welcome back. This is part 4. Alright, now, for anybody that thinks this is far-fetched, back me up, check me out, prove me wrong. This is the Meshusu dragon. The Meshusu dragon is Marduk. Marduk is Nibiru. Alright, there's the elliptical orbit symbolizing Marduk as the Meshusu dragon. And then, of course, the concrete line of the tribe of Judah, the division of the two houses of Israel, and then the remaining house as Israel still standing. But yet there's going to be some restructuring. But there is information behind this unicorn that is a lot deeper than what I'm able to go into in these short videos. So I'm just going to keep it simple. And it does portray the division into two houses, that of the house of Judah, and then the remaining tribes maintain the house of Israel. So major significance here. Let's talk about this portion right here, how all this ties up. This is known as the Hammurabi Stela. And what a stele is an upright stone statue that has on it carvings or engravings of some sort of historical or religious significant event. So this is known as the Hammurabi, which would be Hammurabi. And this is the ruler, the Babylonian ruler, Hammurabi. And what we have being depicted here is Marduk. But this is a three-layered deity, because this is actually Marduk acting as Shemesh, who is an Assyrian Babylonian god also. So Marduk is acting as the lawgiver, which means that he is, through his ego, allowing the other gods to operate in Babylon if they take full direction and give full credit of authority to him. And this is how he symbolizes it. So this is an average man, and then you can see that this is a god. If he was to stand up and straighten his knees out, he would be much larger than this being here. What you see here are horns that are wrapped around his head, and as I told you, we have flowing waters that come off his shoulders. His epitaph as Enki, which is Marduk's firstborn father, which Marduk is trying to symbolize with these shoulder water flowing here, Enki's epitaph is Lord of the Flowing Waters. His other epitaph is Lord of the Apsu, which literally translates into Lord of the Abyss. Now, if you follow some of my other videos, you will know that I am talking about these locusts that are supposed to come out of the inner earth. And I have told you that the locusts that come out of the inner earth are one and the same with the depictions of the sons of God and the Nephilim in the Old Testament and in Genesis 6 in the Hebrew Bible. This being here, Enki, directly represents the prince of this world. Now, if you understood the epitaph that he has, which is a descriptive term, is what an epitaph is. It's a term that describes his most prominent attributes, if you will. So he being Lord of the Flowing Waters, which is the Apsu or the Abyss, and my friends, that directly relates to the Kundalini rising. And I've explained it in my other videos, but just not how it ties up to this. So we have the giving of the law to men by the gods, representing Shemesh, Marduk, which is Nibiru, and Enki, which is his father. The giving of the law to the men is being done because they are about to leave the planet, so they say. And what this is symbolizing, why they are choosing this, is because they are returning to take over the rule. I will explain further in another video. Thank you for listening.